Jason, what are we doing?
Oh, well, I'm glad you asked, Lisa. We are heading west on Highway 190, our favorite highway, on our way to Houston, Texas, because we are going on a little trip.
It's travel day. We haven't been able to say that in so long. Feels good to get it back on the road again.
We're going to Cancun, y'all. Boom!
Are on our favorite highway heading to the Houston airport because we like flying out of Houston for direct flights instead of our little Alexandria airport. So excited about this trip. Are you excited, Jason?
I'm super excited. This is going to be a first time for us going to Cancun. Not a first time going to Mexico, but first time going to Cancun, so looking forward to that. I haven't had a beach all summer, so I'm looking forward to just beaching it, relaxing. We don't have a whole lot planned. We're going to do a lot of freestyling. I think Elisa's got us hooked up for one really cool excursion that we're going to do.
We are staying at an all-inclusive resort for the first time ever. So we've done all-inclusives on day passes on cruises, but this is the first time we are actually going to fly over and stay at an all-inclusive. We're going to two different resorts. The first being the Hard Rock Cancun, and then we're going to go to Unico in Riviera Maya. Breathe out. Relaxation. We are at our parking destination.
Covered or uncovered?
Covered.
Covered.
Okay. And then what terminal are you going to?
A.
Okay. So for covered, you're going to go to your right.
Mask.
Mask.
Okay. Right leg. We are on our shuttle on the way to the airport. And guess what? Whoops!
It's bumpy.
Excuse the bumpiness. It's extremely bumpy. Ugh. It's like we have the airport to ourselves.
Yeah, it feels like we are the only ones here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Please watch your step upon exiting.
Please watch your step. Made it through security. I think that only took, what, about 3 minutes to get through security?
Yeah.
Super fast.
Not long at all. Dead in here.
It's so dead. It's so weird.
Which is not bad because the lines aren't as bad
Right.
at the eating places.
This is so exciting. We're excited. We're here.
All right, so we're here. We made it. We are in Cancun Airport.
We are here. So first you go through immigration and then you go through customs and they're like, all right, you can go. It took like no time at all.
Yep. We're going out here to get our transfer, and we're gonna get shuttled on over to the Hard Rock Hotel. So here we go. Forgive us, we keep looking over here because we just got the new camera and the display screen is over here, so I keep looking at it. So we got to stop doing that.
I know, we got to get used to
Yeah.
just looking at the
Our videos are going to be of us sitting there looking over here, and you guys are going to be like, hey, we're over here. We are on our way to the Hard Rock. We're going to get settled in, and I need to take that thing off. Thank you. I could use a Bloody Mary. That's going to be my first cocktail.
I want a margarita.
And she's gonna partake and get her a margarita, because when you're in Mexico, you gotta have a margarita, especially when you're in the real deal Mexico over here in Cancun. Alright, so this is a form that you gotta fill out, answer a bunch of questions about COVID, whether you have COVID, if you've tested positive or negative, or if you have a fever, just a bunch of extra steps involved and extra paperwork. 12th floor.
So whenever we come in, see it says the room has been sealed, it's been sanitized for our protection. Whoa. Wow.
Pretty cool, right?
Pretty cool. Okay, before we take in this amazing view, let's look at the room.
Okay.
We have this really cool king size bed.
Oh man, there's a hot tub.
I know. Look at the pillows.
Holy smokes.
You know you're at Hard Rock when?
Yeah.
Oh, we have a bag here that says Hard Rock Couture. Very cool. Coffee pot for Jason.
Morning coffee. Got some pretty cool art here. Nice size TV. Oh, we got some champagne.
Bottle of champagne and chocolate covered strawberries.
They look delicious.
They do. I'm going for this one first. Oh yeah. Yummy. Jason, what do you think about this hot tub?
Oh, I think I need to get in this hot tub, but not with my shoes on. Look at the size of this thing, you guys. This is a full-blown two-person hot tub. Like, I'm probably gonna use this after a long day at the beach.
And then here's the rest of the bathroom. This is super nice.
Look at this. This is in the bathroom. How cool is that? Life is good right now for EECC travels.
Cruise what?
Cruise what? Listen, just because they're not cruising right now, don't mean you can't have fun. Fly to an all-inclusive. This looks like it's going to be pretty fun. I mean, instead of a cabin on a cruise ship, you're in a hotel room, on a beach, with the pool, all the amenities that a cruise ship has to offer. The only difference is you're not moving. Guys, you can still go to an all-inclusive and have a great resort feel, a great Caribbean kind of vacation, you know?
Absolutely. It doesn't get much better than this, does it? It's pretty awesome.
Think you're gonna be all right?
I think I'm gonna be okay.
I think you will be too.
I think this is gonna bring a pretty incredible experience.
That's right. We are here in Cancun. This is a much needed vacation for me and Elisa, I know that. So it's time to celebrate, shall we? Woohoo! Glass for Elisa. And a glass for me. Ladies first. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Salud.
Okay, so when you, hold on. All right, so when you come in, they have you scan a QR code, which loads all of this information. And this is everything about the resort. All the precautionary information is both in English and Spanish. There's a map of the resort, times for everything, all the cool information on here. So we are about to try, a list of activities. We're about to figure out what we want for dinner because it's after 5 o'clock and we're hungry. You enjoying that champagne, honey?
Huh, yeah. Pinkies up. Cheers. I'm not gonna cheers my new camera. This is gonna be a good time. We needed this.
Yep.
I'm very much looking forward to this. Just really don't have any set plans. We're just going to freestyle it. We have one excursion booked, which looks fun. Gonna check out some Mayan ruins and a really beautiful sinkhole. For the rest of the time, we're just gonna soak it up, savor it, sights, the sounds, the smells, the tastes. That's what vacation's all about, right?
That's right.
So, vamonos.
And speaking of the new camera, here is the new camera.
This is the Canon M50 with the Rode microphone and the dead cat.
And it is
Muff.
actually called a dead cat.
It's a good little girl. Yes, it is. It's a good little girl. I pet it all the time. It feels so good. This is basically like its wind muff. We have been needing a camera with an external microphone jack. Our Canon G7X Mark II that we had all these years have served us very well. We went through 2 of them,
Yes.
I believe.
We still
we
have
still
it.
have one, and we're still going to do some vlogging with it. Probably take it out at night because it does just really good at low light levels.
Yeah.
Probably better than this one, but the microphone just wasn't good. We wanted to bring a better, crisper sound to our videos, and we did some research, and this was one of our better and most affordable options, but it's got high reviews. A lot of people like to use this camera, and we looked at some of the footage that some other people were shooting with it, and we loved it. So this is the route we chose.
Yep.
We're gonna need to get a bigger little handle though, because it's a little bit heavier than the G7X. It likes to
Yeah.
tilt forward and backwards, so we're gonna adjust that when we get back home. Excited to have this. Hopefully these vlogs turn out really good, and you guys can hear the difference in our vocals. If you guys can hear the difference, let us know down below in the
Yes.
comment section if it sounds better or not, or if you don't even really hear a difference, because we would love your feedback.
Absolutely. We are somewhat settled into our room. We just keep coming out on this balcony and looking out here. It's just unbelievably better than we expected it to be.
It's better than what I expected too, but yeah, we're about to go run around now that we're settled. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, as settled as our excitement will let us be settled, but we're kind of frantic with excitement, so we're gonna rummage around and explore and see what we can find.
Yeah.
So,
And it's not crowded, so that's another really, really good thing.
yeah, we were just noticing it's absolutely not crowded. It's almost not dead, but it's a good amount of people. You feel not overwhelmed with the amount of people.
Right.
You feel safe. It's just not crowded at all. But there's enough people here where you still feel the buzz.
Yep, still plenty going on.
Yeah. Anyway, let's go.
Let's go.